Guess whose name's in there?
It's a nice little sparkly star. Napkin. Too many napkins. Can you get in?
You boy! I bet you want something to stop it.
Freezer's there, look.
It's a restaurant, isn't it? Watch out for these cables and spiders.
Watch out for fucking wires, there might be electric on. Have you got my freezer? We've got a whole bag.
This is another freezer.
Hey, look.
When the back end of it, remember?
The kitchen.
Look, yeah.
Yeah, little hobs down there.
Ham.
Frying pans.
Just a quick little stop, wasn't it? See the entrance, so I was like, yeah, let's go.
They've got the menus here. Have a look at the menu. See what's in there.
Oh!
What do you want?
Take one as a souvenir.
Indian restaurant and lounge bar.
There's another Indian restaurant, isn't it? Lamb.
Paduni.
Pick up the Amazon. I'll make you a run.
Hey, what's this?
Oh, Blue Wicket.
Oh, well, that's nice.
It's
It might be fucking thingy.
glass wash. Gives a sparkling smear-free finish.
Cup of tea, everyone.
Eh?
Cup of tea. What's that? What's this say? Guess whose name's in there? It's an Indian restaurant. Just think of a name.
Mohammed.
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 Eh?
Mohammed Akbar Parvez.
Connor / Brad likes 10-year-olds.
Brad likes Rogers Travels.
Connor Brad likes Rogers Travels. Oh, there's cobwebs.
Watch all that, so fell out. Christmas tree.
It's a nice little sparkly star. Christmas tree topper.
Oh, it's got shiny top in it.
Oh, that's nice.
No, it's not thingy though, it's...
What's that?
Oh, is there any crackers that we can pull?
This one's fingered them all.
There's the upstairs.
What are you talking on here?
Sorry.
Well, fucking new napkins. It's back folding napkins.
Napkin. Too many napkins. Happy exploring, Jonas.
Okay, Pride.
Lincolnshire Pride. This is the entrance, I think.
Yeah. Oh, some of these say.
Oh!
Spiders. One at your head as well.
Found the toilets.
MTV Cribs.
Wow.
Look at these ones over here.
Rounded.
You got a little What's this? Have a look at this book. Open the book.
It's where you pay. Oh, look at that. There's always a sink.
That's nice.
Oh, look, they used to smoke in here.
Nice seat.
Oh, somebody's been in there, I bet, looking, whacking up, jacking up, what they do.
I'll show you a look at this view.
Oh, yeah.
It smells funky. No, this is sort of the electrics out.
We're done here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good corner. Nice.